Imagine a successor to one of the greatest hot hatches ever made, the Peugeot 205 GTI, a limited edition, newly designed version that commemorates the 40th birthday of the French manufacturer's agile, stylish, fun and feisty upstart, an all-conquering nemesis to the VW Golf GTI, and a last hurrah for petrol power with a highly tuned 2-litre, 4-cylinder turbocharged engine. Well, imagine no more, as we've created it for you, virtually. So buckle up and let's get started. There's no doubt that Peugeot's 205 always had more joie de vivre than its rivals. Whether it was being chased by hostile aircraft or flying through the air in downtown Paris, it was a car which managed to take on and beat rival hot hatches from Volkswagen, Ford, Opel, Renault and Fiat. Having aged gracefully since its inception in 1984, there's never been a better time for Peugeot to introduce a spiritual successor to the 205 GTI. Not least because Renault has now resurrected its famous 5 model, albeit in electric guise. While Alpine's A110 continues to prove that petrol-powered goodness in the form of a driver-focused sports coupe will always have a willing audience. So how would the new 205 GTI likely look? Let's find out. In our 3-door version, we've kept the classic look of the 205 GTI's rear C-pillar, but added more muscular haunches and aero side pods, which mimic the look of the mid-engined T16. In what would be a first for the 205 GTI, we've also created a more practical 5-door shape, a car designed to beat the VW Golf GTI at its own game. Both versions feature lighting inspired by Peugeot's Instinct concept vehicle, as well as fog lights that incorporate the company's signature claw effect. As for the 205's classically styled rear, we decided to implement a new version of its horizontal slat design, with slight variations for both the 3-door and 5-door versions. With twin exhausts and LED lighting featuring 2 Peugeot claws, the 3-door version's name badge panel is more curvy, while the 5-door version has a more restrained, straighter motif. Thanks to a larger engine bay than the original 205, we'd expect Peugeot's hot hatch to make at least 300 brake horsepower, while, if a last hurrah for petrol power was discounted, there's still a place for a true 205 successor in the form of an all-electric version. So a happy 40th to the 205 GTI. Birthday wishes, anyone?